Hi, this is John with Designer Appliances. Today I'm here with Frank Carroll, president of Best Range Hoods, and he's going to talk about why Best Range Hoods are the best hoods to consider when renovating your next kitchen project.
Thanks, John. It's great to be here at Designer Appliances. We're so happy with our partnership. They do a great job here. If you haven't been here and seen the showroom, it's incredible. And we're so fortunate to have our best brand here and on display. Most people don't know we're the largest manufacturer of hoods in North America. Air Quality and Home Solutions is a division, and we think about air quality whenever we design any one of our products. So the best brand obviously brings that forward. We have features and benefits in all of our products that really step above everybody else in the marketplace. And so not to be too proprietary or maybe cocky about it, I would tell you we have almost every style that you need. We've got the chimney hoods, we've got the wall hoods, we've got downdrafts. Our downdraft is one of the best that's made in the marketplace. And I say that because it has great ventilation. If you ever get a chance to see a working model or a demo, it has dual ventilation where the capture on this unit is very good. We have ventilation out the back, out the sides, and we're just coming out with a new ventilation where you can actually vent from the bottom also. So a really cool product, one of our stars in our lineup. Inside of our range hoods, you know, you heard about Intel Inside and the computers. We have inside of our range hoods a program that's called IQ Blower. We have the ability in our IQ Blower that actually, if we say it's a 600 CFM blower or a 1200 CFM, it will operate at 600 CFM because it will measure the pressure it needs and how fast that blower needs to go in order to push to that CFM. Competition, when they tell you it's 600 CFM, and if someone doesn't install it exactly right, it might be 350 or 400 CFM. It might not really be what you thought you were getting. So really proud of some of the features and benefits we have in our products, and again, great partners here, and we appreciate the support. If there's ever questions about Best, we have an outstanding technical service department. Any of your questions or comments or anything that you have suggestions for us, because we're always looking for great ideas.